chicken, fresh from Jamaica.
Well, it's not pigeon, that.
This is not pigeon, that real chicken.
That could be double chicken roll. That's very original. Never heard that from another individual. Come across something like that was a lyrical. That could be double chicken roll. No toleration for imitation, origination equals domination. That's my solution to the generation.
Jamaica, that's right. Bob Marley, my best friend.
It's not like African, man.
And who are you mad? Are you
See what that be there? That be there.
My solution to the generation. Use your mind on imagination.
Nah, man.
You just sounded like
my best friend African, you know. My best friend African. That's what me embrace. We all African, brethren.
That's my intention. Let me have to mention.
And then I say, you say?
You don't say it like that, no.
You see what I mean there?
Nah,
you're African. You are African.
African, brethren. We are African. You want jerk chicken or what?
That's very original.
This ain't real chicken either.
Don't touch my chicken.
Listen, better but else to touch.
Do not touch my chicken.
That